It's a fresh one, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good?
Hey, get the dog out of here. Dog, go. This time you can't be here. Are you serious?
I had to see what button at first. Whoa.
It already started.
Wait, that's gonna
The
be
light
too
bulb's
much.
already going.
Hey.
Grab her. Hurry.
Cause that big lighter is gonna go, man.
Yeah, it is.
Look at her. She was all staring intently. It'll all be over soon.
I should have put the lighter under where the egg was at.
No, because it's by the plasma now.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Hey, you missed it.
John!
Hurry up.
Hurry! Run!
It's still going.
It's going! Come on!
Oh!
It came out pretty bad when we first did it.
That is sweet.
Good idea, right?
Uh-oh. Now it's filling the whole thing with it and there's no flame. When it sparks, it's gonna go.
Sally's under there.
Hey.
Sally, come here! Come here, Sally! She dies.
It won't explode.
Oh, there goes the egg.
Nice! Oh, she's scared. Why is she scared? If I die because of this, I'm blaming you.
Blaming who? The dog?
Yeah, because she put me over there. Oop, I'll put you down on
There's
that.
something on the thing.
Oh, or you're scared. Where's your tail down?
Should have secured the light bulb more.
Ooh, the big lighter. Is
Oh,
it
it's
down?
still going.
Is it?
No, the egg.
Uh-oh.
I think it's dead.
No, you can hear stuff. That might have been the glass.
Oh, it's stuck. Alright, you're done.
Yeah, another thing.
Alright.
Glass. Jeez, the glass survived.
It's a horrible smell.
I wonder if it still has.
Don't touch it. Is it hot?
No,
See if it's still got some in it.
I don't think so. I can't hear anything. It's hot.
No, it's spent.
Freaking pops there.
Oh, there's egg all over me.
That's creepy.
What does it look like?
You?
It's terrible.
Oh, I mean.